Now, I know you can't argue. Transitions are some of the coolest ways that you can make your videos more interesting. Now, with these transitions, it makes your videos just 10 times better. That's why in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use these transitions and also how to edit them. So, let's get right into it. Now, I hope you paid close attention to the intro because those are the two transitions I'm going to show you how to do in Filmora. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Now, to do these transitions is actually very simple. So let's go into Filmora and I'll show you exactly how you do them. Okay, so as always, firstly just import your footage into Filmora, and then you obviously want to start with the first video. Now, the thing about creating transitions is that 99% of it is at the filming side of creating them. I mean, you can put in transitions in Filmora, the ones that they offer you, which is a lot, but if you want to do the type of transitions I just showed you, then it's all about filming. So the first shot, obviously I shot by myself, just talking to the camera, and then right at the end I simply just panned my camera away. Now that is firstly a very easy transition that you can do in Filmora. So let me just show you here. So what I did here at the end, as you guys can see, more interesting, boom, and then I just panned. So what you want to do is in that panning motion you want to cut to the other clip. So let's put the other clip in there. Okay, so what you want to do here is you just want to put in your next clip, and then you also, as you guys can see here, I panned it. So boom, and then in the middle of that pan you want to skip to the other video, so it would look something like this. Now boom. Okay, so as you guys can see, it stays too long on the first clip, so then you simply adjust it very smallly until it looks like a smooth once panning motion. So all you do is then you just cut the first one a little bit, maybe like here, boom, and then boom. Now there you go. As you guys can see, it is as simple as that. And doesn't that look cool? I mean, it is so simple to do. You simply just pan the camera. Now for the second transition is also just as simple. As you guys can see here, it's like this little tap thing that I tap on the lens. So basically what you do is boom, boom. So as you guys can see, I tap 2 times on the lens. So let's go to the other clip. And then just simply, as the first one, simply just cut the clip to where the finger is touching the lens. So as you guys can see there is also a type of transition, but you can obviously tweak this a little bit more. So maybe we can make this one a bit longer. There we go. So now it is as simple as that. So there you have it. Now you also know how to create these awesome transitions in Filmora, and as I said, it's mostly on the filming side of things, but if you master them, your videos would look so much better. Whether you're creating normal videos like me, or vlogging, or literally any other videos, these transitions would work perfectly for you. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.